Hi, I'm Debbie Noggle, the owner of AdPro. Today, we are going to discuss a question I get asked by many clients before we begin the journey of building their website. Do you really need a blog for your business? The short answer, yes, but not for the reason you think, and definitely not the reason most business owners assume. Most people think a blog is just content, something to post so Google sees your site as active. Maybe it helps a little with keywords. That's the old way of thinking about it. And honestly, blogs written that way rarely do much for your business. Here's what's actually happening now. People aren't just typing keywords into Google anymore. They're asking full questions to Google, to AI overviews, to Chat GPT, to voice assistants. Questions like, how much does a mini split installation cost in Calvert County? Or do I need a permit for a pole barn in Maryland? And how often should I get my septic tank pumped? If your website doesn't have an answer to that exact question sitting right there in plain language, you don't exist in that conversation. Your competitor who does answer it, they show up instead. That's called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. And a blog is the easiest, most natural way to build a library of real answers to real questions your customers are already asking. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. Writing the answer isn't even enough anymore. You also need to tell search engines and AI systems in their own language, this is a question and here is the answer. That's done through something called FAQ page schema, a little bit of behind the scenes code added to your blog posts. You don't see it as a visitor, but Google and AI tools read it directly. It's often the difference between your answer showing up in an AI overview or a voice search result, or not showing up at all. Well written blog content plus proper schema is how you actually get found in this new answer driven search world. Not just ranked on a results page, but quoted as the answer. So when I say you need a blog, I don't mean post something every week to look active. I mean answer the actual questions your customers ask before they call you. Structure it so search engines and AI can read it correctly, do that consistently, and your blog becomes a lead generation tool, not busy work. So, do you need a blog? Yes, but it needs to answer real questions. And it needs the technical piece in place. So AI and search engines actually recognize it as an answer. That's the difference between a blog nobody reads and a blog that brings you customers. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another answer to your digital marketing or website design questions. Just leave them in the comments below. You can view my site at adproincorporated.com. Bye for now.